How to undo apps icon changes on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, hold on to your display of your home screen. Then click on Home Settings at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Icon Pack. Then, as you can see, now my icon pack is hydrogen. It was oxygen, so I want oxygen back. So I'll simply click on oxygen and make sure there's tick mark and then press on save at the bottom right corner of your screen and it will be saved. Then the icons will be changed to normal. This is how to undo app icon on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.